For this project, you will be creating a portrait in the pop art style, something that looks like this. This video will demonstrate the first step in this project, which is creating a contour line drawing of your subject. So you can choose anyone who's famous in pop culture, whether it be an actor or a singer or a politician or an athlete, anyone like that, and you're going to create a line contour drawing as the first step. So this is how you do that. You want to first open your new file. Just close this down. So you're going to go File, New. Make sure that it's letter size, which is 8.5 by 11, and you're going to save it and title it Pop Art Portrait. Okay, so here it is. Then next you're going to go File, Open, and you want to find the picture that you saved from the internet that you like to use. So I chose this picture. I'm going to copy and paste this now into my new document. So Control A for copy, Control A for select all, Control C for copy, and Control V for paste. So remember those shortcuts. This needs to be resized by transforming it. So Control T for transform. Remember to hold down your Shift key and drag from the corners to resize your picture, and then press Enter to complete the transformation. So next you want to create a new layer to trace on top of with your pen tool. So you go over here to your layers box and click on the new layer icon, and you can see now I have a new layer to work with. So I go to my pen tool, click on pen, make sure that this middle box here to create paths is checked and not the shape layers or fill pixels. You want the paths layer, and then you can just start kind of randomly clicking around the contours of the subject's face and clothes, glasses, hats, whatever. Okay, then to curve those lines, we want to add anchor point and pull on the anchor points. Pull on the anchor points to curve the lines. And I would continue this right around the person's face. Then to create a line there, you want to right click on your picture, click on Stroke Path, make sure Brush is clicked or selected, and click OK. And then finally Enter to create the path. And if I make this layer invisible, I can see the lines that I've created around his face. So you continue around the rest of the subject to create a contour drawing. The last thing I want to show you is how to use the Simulate Pressure option to create a variety of line, which is also a requirement for this project. So I've just used the pen tool to trace the wrinkles in his forehead. Then this time when I go to Stroke Path, I want to click this box that says Simulate Pressure. So that will create a variety of line, and I'll show you what I mean. So you can see that this is more of a solid line, and this one looks almost more like a hand-drawn line. So make sure that you add those details in your project, as it is another requirement. So that's the first step in the project to create a contour line drawing of your person, and it should look something like this. So when we get to step 2, I will show you how to then add color.